Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Rithmic to TradingView. It's important to understand that a direct, native integration between these two powerful platforms isn't currently supported. The most effective and widely used method involves leveraging specialized third-party bridging services. These platforms act as a crucial intermediary, allowing your Rithmic-powered trading account to display its data and execute trades directly within the familiar TradingView interface. This approach ensures you can utilize Rithmic's robust data feed while enjoying TradingView's advanced charting tools and automation capabilities. Selecting the correct bridging service is the cornerstone of this connection. You'll need to thoroughly research platforms that explicitly advertise their ability to link Rithmic data and trade execution with TradingView. It's crucial to confirm the service's reliability, ensuring fast data transfer and secure trade routing. Additionally, always verify any associated subscription fees or usage costs to ensure it aligns with your trading budget. A good service will provide clear instructions for linking your accounts and setting up alerts. Once you've chosen your bridging service, the next step is to set up your connection. You'll create an account directly with the service and then link your Rithmic account credentials within their platform. This typically involves entering your Rithmic username and password. Next, you'll configure your TradingView alerts to send signals to the bridging service, often using a unique webhook URL provided by the service. This crucial step automates the process, allowing your TradingView strategies to trigger actions in your Rithmic account. After completing the setup, it's vital to confirm that everything is working as expected. Initiate a test by triggering a TradingView alert that should send a signal to your bridging service. Then, verify that the corresponding trade action, such as placing an order, is accurately reflected in your Rithmic account. Continuously monitor the data flow and execution speed to ensure optimal performance. This thorough verification confirms your Rithmic data is now seamlessly integrated, allowing your TradingView strategies to execute trades effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.